Hey, welcome back, YouTubers. Name is Ray with Ray's Engines. Here we are on the next video for the Pro Street build, the 84 model. This is the 84 C10. We are pro-charging it, and we are installing a air conditioner as well. So as you can see, if you watched the previous video, you saw that I put this sound deadening on it. It did come out really good. I like the way it came out. It did take a little bit of work, but it's not complicated to install if you look back to my video. So this will prevent heat from coming in and helps to keep the cab a little quieter as well. I want the noise outside, I don't want it inside. So here we are with the painless wiring, and the reason I'm putting a complete wiring system is because the previous wire system that was in here had wires just going to it like this for each fuse, several fuses. That's not a good thing. And so I ordered this one, and this one does come with power windows, power locks, air conditioner, electric fuel pump, electric fans, and so on. I believe it's a 28. As you can see, I have it here laid out. The reason you want to lay it out like this and you want to see what you want is this goes all to the front. This stays on the inside of the cab. This stays inside the cab as well. And then here's this big bundle. This one has speaker wire, so it does stay inside the cab. It also has for the rear tail lights, brake lights, signal lights, and so on. Some of this is going to stay in the cab, and some of it's going to be outside of the cab. And so that's what you want to do, is you want to lay out like this. That way you decide which is going to stay inside. So like this, that's going to stay in here. What you're going to do is you're going to start cutting some of these zip ties off, so you can start routing your wires which way you want to route them. This fuse box did come with a small metal plate, which I already installed there. It was fairly easy. All you just put it on there, put some screws on there, and then this part bolts into the metal plate as well. And this goes in just like that. So that's why I say you want to see what wires you need to do, because it's going to be like this. And then what you're going to do is you're going to install this wire just like that right through the firewall, and this will go out that way. This sound deadening is all the way up to the firewall as well, to prevent heat from coming in and the sound. I'm not going to go through step by step on this, because it takes anywhere from 6 to 12 hours to do a wiring like this. You don't want to rush it. You make a mistake here, it's going to take you twice as much time to figure out what mistake you did. So take your time on this. Do it right the first time. That way you don't have to deal with it anymore. I will do a video whenever I do my gauges on wiring the gauges in here. I will do that video. Other than that, this is pretty self-explanatory. Each wire has names all the way across. I mean, all through the wiring. It has a name where it goes. So you really can't mess this up. It just takes a lot of time. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to it. Hit the thumbs up on this video and share this video with others. That way others can see what this project is coming across. I did get the Procharged on its way. It's a F1C Procharged. I will make a video for that. It's brand new. That's what's going to go in here. That's rated at 1225 horsepower. Of course, I'm not going to push it that hard on this truck. Maybe just tune it down to 1,000, maybe 900 horsepower. This will be a good daily driver. It will be reliable. Again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Stay tuned for the finished project. Thanks.